New images of Giga Berlin show Tesla focusing on what matters, friends. There is a recent tweet from Twitter user GF4Tesla which showcases a series of new images of Tesla Giga Berlin factory. The images depict the logistics area of Giga Berlin is well filled and the delivery of the Model Y is running at full speed. You are seeing those images on your screen. And Jürgen, who tweets at GF4Tesla, has been chronicling Tesla Giga Berlin from day one. Now, looking at the comments under the tweet, it is clear that people are excited about the progress of the factory and the potential impact it will have on the automotive industry. Many commenters are also impressed with the speed at which the factory has been constructed and now ramping the production and delivery of the Model Y, not only in Germany but throughout Europe. One commenter notes that Tesla has chosen a strategic location of the Gigafactory Berlin as it is close to a major port, uses rails, which will make it easier to export vehicles to other countries in Europe. Other commenters highlight the environmental benefits of electric cars and praises Tesla's commitment to sustainable manufacturing. Friends, overall, as you can see from these images, the factory is making great progress at Giga Berlin. What makes the factory so special? Well, the Tesla Giga Berlin factory represents the future of manufacturing, and not only for Tesla. It's also great to see the progress Tesla is making on the assembly lines of Giga Berlin. This electric vehicle manufacturing factory, a state-of-the-art factory that will produce some of the best electric cars in the world. I mentioned that Giga Berlin's location is strategic. This is important because Tesla wants to make electric cars accessible to everyone, not just people in the local area. The factory's location will make it easier to transport cars to other parts of Europe and beyond. Looking at these images, it is clear, in my opinion, that Tesla Giga Berlin factory is a significant development for the automotive industry, for sustainable manufacturing, and for the local economy of Giga Berlin, about which I've already spoken before. Well, we'll be following the progress closely and we'll look forward to seeing the impact it has on the world electronic car market. Recently, Tesla CEO Elon Musk made some statements about the Cybertruck, and I want to share some of Elon Musk's latest statements on the Tesla Cybertruck, because a lot of you probably have put orders for Cybertruck and are waiting to see when your Cybertruck is coming, how it's going to be, and answers to some other questions. The first deliveries of Tesla Cybertruck are expected to take place later this year, and there are still a handful of unknowns about the futuristic truck from Tesla. In recent weeks, however, Tesla CEO Elon Musk shared some details about the vehicle alongside some included in the automaker's latest master plan. In its Master Plan 3 unveiled on April 5, Tesla stated that the Cybertruck will have a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. However, it's not clear if this refers to a base model or another specific variant as reported by The Street. The battery pack size is the same as those of the Model S and Model X. Did you know? Tesla's premium level sedan and SUV, despite the truck being a wider and heavier vehicle than these. Cybertruck rivals in the electric pickup sector include the Rivian R1T and the Ford F-150 Lightning, which feature 135 kilowatt-hour and 131 kilowatt-hour battery packs respectively. The Cybertruck will also include a 3,500-pound payload capacity, adjustable air suspension, and lockable exterior storage measuring about 100 cubic feet. Final specs for the production model of the Cybertruck have not yet been shared by Tesla, although a number of sightings for pre-production Cybertruck have been reported around the automaker's Fremont, California plant. Additionally, it's not clear what the Cybertruck will cost, but some predict a base striker price as low as $40,000. Elon Musk also said during the recent first quarter earnings call that Tesla is anticipating a delivery event for the Cybertruck, which will likely take place near the end of quarter 3. Volume production of the Cybertruck is slated for 2024. Meanwhile, Tesla is still finishing up the Cybertruck production line at Giga, Texas, and the company is building alpha versions of the truck for testing. As for ramping up production, Elon Musk said that the Cybertruck will follow a similar S-curve to Tesla's other cars. Despite following a similar production ramp-up, Musk said earlier this month that the Cybertruck was a very radical product, adding that it's not made in the way that other cars are made. On April 2nd, Musk tweeted that he walked the Cybertruck production line at Gigafactory, Texas for several hours, saying that it was going to be awesome and that it, quote, feels like the future. Just a few days prior, Elon Musk noted his expectation that the Cybertruck would change the look of the roads, echoing the later sentiment that the vehicle felt like something from the future. Friends, the design of the Cybertruck has been polarizing, to say the least, but it's hard to argue with the vehicle's more than 1.5 million reservations, according to Cleantechnica. Learning into a sci-fi kind of interesting design, Tesla head of design Franz von Holthausen also has pointed out how it was the company's intention to make something totally new. He said, "We've pulled people away from their kind of normal comfort zone and brought them something that's just radically different and will be on the street radically different. And you know, if you're not used to attention, might be little tough in the beginning," von Holthausen said in January. Look at these new sightings of Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla Cybertruck is spotted testing outside Fremont factory. Production of this truck should start in the coming months, which is really excited. As you can see from the pictures, it says Cado Road. Cado Road is the famous road where there is a Cado Road facility where Tesla actually builds small amount of special batteries, 4680 batteries. And now on that road, they have on the Reddit, we saw some images that you're seeing on your screen that the Cybertruck is spotted. So Tesla is testing Cybertruck again ahead of production, which should start in mid-2023. A IGSNS Reddit posted photos of the electric pickup truck driving near the Fremont factory. The Cybertruck was moving along Cado Road, as I said, the street that houses the pilot factory for the Tesla's famous 4680 battery cells that are supposed to power the Cybertruck. Now, Tesla's pickup truck looked very impressive in these pictures, and its Blade Runner inspired design added a surreal touch to everything around it. Agree or no? Let me know, friends, in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel as I'm going to bring you more news about Cybertruck as it comes out of production. Although Cybertruck attracted a lot of attention, it blended in harmoniously with the landscape, as you can see, making a pleasant accent. Looking at it, one gets the impression that the future is kind of intertwined with the present with Cybertruck. Now, according to Elon Musk, the company is still building alpha versions of Cybertruck on its pilot line, photos of which were included in the Q1 2023 report. These are the units that are used for various tests. For example, Cybertruck has been tested in winter conditions, and a photo of it has also been added to the report. In parallel with this, Tesla is completing the installation of a volume production line at Giga, Texas, which is due to begin production midway through the year. The company expects to start deliveries of Cybertruck in the Q3. Musk said this should happen around the end of the quarter, which would take place at a delivery event. At the delivery event, Tesla will also reveal the specifications of Cybertruck and its pricing. He actually again stressed that the pickup truck is an incredible product that only comes along once in a long time. Musk is confident that consumers or car buyers, I really don't like using that word, consumers. So Musk was confident that car buyers or Cybertruck buyers will not be disappointed using Tesla Cybertruck. This is indeed a very kind of radically looking or radically designed product, a vehicle that is made in a completely different way than all other cars.